Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update all your drivers in Windows. So let's begin. So here we are in our Windows, and from here what we're gonna do is go into your start menu and type update, and you would click here, check for updates. So this Windows update would most likely take care of most of your driver problems. So if any of your driver is updated, when you update it right here, it will be updated automatically. But if you're looking into something specific than the drivers, then what I suggest you to do is go first update it here. Then you want to go into your device manager at the start menu. So type in device manager right here on your control panel. So click on it. And from here, you have your device manager right here. And from here, you can select your parts right here that is plugged into your computer. But if you're not seeing the parts right here and you have just plugged it into your computer, then you can click here after plugging it in so that you would see it right here and it will be refreshed. And now, for example, you want to update your Wi-Fi driver, so it will be in the network adapters right here. So you want to expand this by clicking on it or double clicking on it. And from here, you can see your drivers right here, and your adapters. So for example, I want to update my Wi-Fi, and my Wi-Fi name or my Wi-Fi name of the adapter is this one right here. So all I have to do is right click and update driver right here, and I can just search automatically for drivers just like that. Or if you'd want to manually update it, then you can also do that by clicking here, browse my computer for drivers, but you would need to manually download the drivers update on the website. But if you're looking for graphics card, then you can see it right here. That's because it has its dedicated app. So if you're using NVIDIA, then you would have it right here. You need to search for NVIDIA in your start menu. But in my case, I have an AMD, so I will be searching for AMD right here, and we would have an AMD software. Same goes for NVIDIA. You would have an NVIDIA software if your graphics card is NVIDIA. So as you can see right here in my AMD, I have my drivers and software available for download and update right here. So once I download it, then it would automatically update. But in my case, I don't want to update it because my current version is working fine. And yeah, this is how you update all your drivers in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.